Hello everybody, these are my two UDLs. I chose S'mores and Peltoon. I chose S'mores because it's answering questions and it's a new format of adding a question and answering the question. I chose Peltoon because I can write a question and the answer, and you could do a voice over voice memo. For S'mores, the question was using two elements from week 01 demonstrates your understanding of them on how they impact teaching learning. And my answer was educators to critical knowledge. My understanding of this topic is for students to have a good knowledge in learning something new every day that they go to class. The impact of teaching is the growth to have successful teaching experience. Prepare students without or with disabilities in the real world. My understanding is that each should be treated equally and through the same phase. The impact of learning will be a struggle at first, but then they are not giving up, only if as a teacher you will demonstrate to never give up. The other question was, what is one characteristic of yours that you feel translates well from a role of a learner to that of a teacher? A good teacher will make a difference in students' life through communication. Creating good communication with students will impact in helping students to build their skills and have confidence. I put a quote that says, to the world, you may be just a teacher, but to your students, you're a hero. I like this quote because the students see you as a hero, that they learn something every day. I chose my experience using S'mores was a new website to understand, but at the end I managed to use it afterwards. The second UDL that I have chosen was Peltoon, which let me play it for you. Engineering class of mine is already using CSP, SJE, and UDL and context standards associated with the area that you were wanting to teach in. Make sure to include each of the content standards as part of your answer. 2.1 Students differentiate between things that happen long ago and things that can happen yesterday. Demographic, the timeline or schedule. 2.2 Students demonstrate math skills by describing the absolute and relative locations of people, places, and environments. Demographic. Ask classmates from different countries about their background. 2.3 Students explain governmental institutions and practices in the United States and other countries. Demographic. Research on countries. Describe any challenge and or questions that occur for you during your completion of question. How will we know if that's what we're supposed to teach in our grade level? How does your developing understanding of anti-racism influence your thoughts on the context standards and students who you will be teaching? My development of understanding thoughts of anti-racism and context standards is to create more experiences of students to learn more about racism. My thoughts about students who are here to teach is to spread self-awareness and respecting each other. And I have chosen Peltoon because my experience was not new using Peltoon. I have used Peltoon before, so this is something creative to bring in answering questions and doing a voice.